Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Malik Muhammad from omli.com. Fundamentals. Today we're going to learn variables. So what is a variable? A variable is a container that stores value. So let me illustrate to you how we use variables. So in order for us to use variable, we will start with a keyword called var, and we give our variable a name age, and we use an assignment operator which is equal, and then we give it a value, let's say 56. So this is how we create a variable. First, a keyword var and your variable name and the assignment operator and the value. So let's create another variable again. This time around, let's call it name. So now let's print our name in the console, and we do that by calling this function print, and you pass the variable and hit this play button. So now we have Tony Stark. But let's say later on we don't want name to be Tony Stark, we want it to be Iron Man. And then let's play it again and see. Now we have let's play it again and see. Now we have Iron Man. But let's say we don't want this name to change ever. We don't want name to change ever from Tony Stark to Iron Man. So in order var to let, and just so that maybe we'll see a message forward saying cannot assign a value, name is a let constant. So right here what we did here is that we created a constant and we give it a value. So it means this value so it means the value of this constant, it can never be changed. So let's play it again and see. Okay, now we have Tony Stark. But let's say we want to print these two variables, name and age. In order for us to do that, we are going to use something called string interpolation. And in order for us to do that, now we have name, Tony Stark, age 56. So that's about it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And this is my first video in the Swift fundamentals series. So if there's anything you want me to change or add in my channel, please make sure to leave a comment in the section and tell me what I need to change and what I need to add in my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.